Nagalit si Roxy. Been 6 months. 8 months now.
Have a banana.
I love
it.
What?
I hate that, you know.
No, you have to say the same thing. You're my baby.
I'm not saying it like that.
You're my baby. Good morning. It's already 8:25. Ano lang guys, binali ko lang to. So now, because I do exercise, I'm going to eat unhealthy. Too late to apologize. Thursday today, and tawagan ko yung asawa ko kung anong plano ng ina niya. Kung meron ba silang plano. Okay, the milk is still good, so I guess I can use that. I feed the dogs. They don't want to eat. I don't give them nothing extra because the turkey is still frozen. So I don't give them anything with their food. And Roxy is kind of like timi ba? Eating, but she's speaking something like she want to put, and then suddenly she gave up of the food and she went to the dry food instead of the wet food. Ay, naloka ako guys. Because I don't know what Tommy's plan for today, or for his mother. His mother don't go to dialysis yesterday because she said nawawala. Sabi pa niya nawawala daw yung ano niya, mga gamit niya sa bag. Yung yung bag na nila ginagamit niya palagi. Yung nilagay niya sa shoulder niya. So, nawawala daw yung mga gamit, yung mga, kahit ano, yung mga yawi, keys, wallet, kahit ano kung anong nandun. Nawawala daw, sabi niya, may pumasok daw the other night, may pumasok daw doon at kinuha yung mga gamit niya. Naloka si Tommy, guys, naloka. Tinawagan ako, guys, naloka. Tinawagan niya ako, guys, at naloka yung asawa ko. And, pag uwi niya kagabi from work, hinahanap niya, guys, alam niyo naman, hinahanap niya yung malaking bagay. Pero, dapat, so, when yung hinahanap na ni Tommy yung mga gamit, nakikita niya guys sa mga drawer, nilagay niya kahit saan ba, parang she spread everything, like nilagay niya yung kahit ano niyang gamit, doon para, iwan ko, nag-ano na talaga siya guys, as in na, very sure na yung mga, makalilimutin na siya, at saka kung anong mga ginagawa niya. Anyway, good morning. I don't know what to do for there. I don't know. I will probably go to Walmart. I'm not sure, guys. I'm not sure. You see my nails? Same color with my shirt. Tommy's shirt. I love this color. There is a name of this color. Not coral. I forgot the name, but there's a color like a Tiffany one. Like, you know, the Tiffany. It's a blue family. But this is Dada, 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 Boonsy, Boonsy, Boonsy. Hi guys! Good afternoon. It's 1:70 now ng hapon. I just put eyebrows. Itignan nyo itong eyebrows ko. Kailangan talagang i-memorize yung eyebrow na to. I just had that little teeny tiny burger that Tommy got for the dog. Specifically for the dog. So, binili niya yon para sa aso. Sobrang tawa ko kanina kaso hindi ko nakuha yung camera kasi sobrang akong tawa kasi si Roxy nandun sa labas. I'm just kind of watching the TV and I said, come in, come in. So I keep saying, come in, come in. So Misty, nasa loob na si Misty. So si Roxy, patungo, running towards the sliding door. So ang nangyari, I've been holding the screen door, sliding screen door. Ba't hindi nagpo-focus sa akin? I've been holding it. Ang sabi ko, nanonood din ako ng TV. Ang sabi ko, come in. Come in. Come here. I keep saying that. I said, Roxy is just like over there. Roxy just sat down in front of the sliding door and kept looking at me. And then I said, come in, Roxy. I just kind of black out, guys. Black out yung isip ko, guys, kasi nanonood ako ng TV. At saka, sabi ko, pasok ka na, pasok. And then Roxy kept doing this, like, he cannot get in because of the screen. So, sabi pa niya, nagalit si Roxy. Nagalit si Roxy, guys, kasi sabi ko, if I get frustrated, I said, come in. I'm so mad. My tune is like so loud. I said, come in. Come in. And I didn't realize that the screen door is closed. So Roxy do like this. Siya yung nagalit. Kasi para akong pala siya, mama, stupid, mama, stupid. So siya yung nagalit. So inaw-aw ako, guys. Inaw-aw ako. So yun, sobrang kong tawa ko. Sorry ko, hinag ko si Roxy kasi nagsasorry ako sa kanya, guys. Or kasi alam nyo naman, pinagalitan ko sa pasok ng pasok. Hindi pumasok kasi ano yung screen closed. So anyway, my mother-in-law won't be here tomorrow. So what my plan is, I'm gonna go there tomorrow anyway, and then I will see my husband. And then what else? I'll see my husband. And then I will wake up to pick my mother-in-law because it's crazy if I go home and then don't wait for her to come back from dialysis. You know, she take taxi and that and this and that. So I just rather stay there and then pick her up, and then I have to go because, you know, the dog story and stuff like that. I cannot leave the dog. And everybody have an issue with that leave the dog longer. You know what? I cannot do it. I'm a dog owner. I love my pets. I cannot just leave my pets for a long time and leave them here in the house. You know, I cannot do it. I can't. It seems like I have my own kids that waiting for me and they need somebody to feed them. You know, something like that. You know, it's just good morning. Good morning. It's time check. It is 7:18. I have to go. Going to the other house. Even though yung mother-in-law ko won't come here, I'm just going over there to see my baby boy. Ay nako. Sobrang ginaw, guys. Anyway, guys, I will see you at the house and ilalagay ko lang kayo dito sa compartment. Okay, it's this memory card here for the first time. Hi guys, I'm here with Tommy. Just dropped his mother me. And hold on, oh, the student driver over there. Araw na bar. Araw na to ba? Araw ba?
Not a bar. It's a new candy bar. Araw not a bar.
Ayan.
It's like nothing but a bar.
Ito na to ba? Anyway guys, so Tommy is planning to make a sandwich again. This sandwich never ending. So he's going to shop, right? To take some cold cuts. And yeah, you don't get anything a lot, hun, because you always have leftover in the house and then that's it.
And the dogs love it, don't they?
There's still a lot in the house, frozen 2 bags. So we're good. Sa wakas guys, andito, nakabalik ako dito. It's been a while that hindi ako bumalik dito sa ShopRite sa lugar namin. So yeah, I'm so happy to be back. It's nice.
Have a great day, sir. Yes. How are you doing? Mean. Hi. You blocked me with the thing. Yeah, go. Put the car right next to my candle. I'm mean.
You're a freaking mean husband. Like, I don't know why every time I come here you have trouble.
Oh yeah.
Troubles.
I'm gonna have a coffee, so I'll throw my coffee cup away.
I love you.
I love you too. The belly button on. Not with that stuff.
It's been 6 months. 8 months now.
Have a banana.
I love you.
Stop. I love you too.
Han! One time, man!
Stop.
One time!
I hate that. You know I hate that.
No, but one time, man. One time.
That's not fun.
No, fun. But you're laughing. That's what I like about it. Okay, what a freaking pancake looks hard to me.
Have one.
Is it hard? I'm gonna have one.
Take two. Take look.
I'm gonna have pancake, guys. I'm gonna have pancake, guys. Sayunan mo anak, guys. Almost 8 months. Walang walang And do you have ziplock over here? Do you need me to cut something?
Ready for the birdies.
Of course.
Well, the birds need to eat too, huh?
You can have coffee. I'll give you coffee. Do you want coffee?
Yeah, but I'm this way.
Yeah, but I'm gonna make you coffee that I can sip. Is this cinnamon, hon? I don't like pancake have cinnamon. Tommy got me a new hard drive. Oh no, SD card. He got me new SD card. I still have a lot of footage on my old one. Thank you. Thank you.
For?
The SD.
No problem.
He's going to work,
That's all
guys.
filthy.
Don't leave me, baby. Look at this monkey. Oh, ow, 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 ow. Can you say ow, ow, hon? That's the right one.
Yeah, that's a monkey.
Why I cannot do it?
I don't know.
Is that it?
Pretty much.
It's a little chilly, but not really bad, right? I'm taller here, which is nicer.
Love you, Ann.
I love you too, baby.
Have a good day.
I miss you.
Oh, you'll see me soon.
Like when?
Oh, I'm
No
not
kidding.
Tuesday. I don't
I
know.
will probably I will probably come here Monday.
Oh, you're coming?
No, Monday if you are not working. Hon, it's so dirty. Wash it, hon. Oh,
What?
your glasses are so dirty. Look, oh.
I know. The I gotta get moving.
Oh, now it's clearer.
Love you, Ann.
I love you. Can you see me
Have a
clear
good day.
now? I love you.
Love you too.
I'll talk to you later. Drive careful, okay?
Yeah, I'll try.
Who is your wife?
At this point, you might as well wait and pick her up.
I will going to
I'm
wait.
just saying, it's 20 to 11.
Yes, hon. I know you're worried, hon. I'll do it because of you.
I'm not
Look
worried,
at
hon.
me. No, of course you are.
No.
You know why I do this? I do this because of my husband.
She's supposed to be a 2-hour session, so she's supposed to be done in less than a half hour.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I forgot that. I thought it's like almost 2.
No, she's supposed to be done by noon.
I love you.
Love you too.
I'll talk to you later and drive careful.
Hey, Ann.
You're my baby. You don't answer when I said you're my baby.
What am I? No, that was a question. What am I answering?
You're my baby.
Shit.
Oh, you don't have your key?
I do. Get oil delivery. She won't know that. She won't shut it off, and then I'm gonna be in the middle of the night in the house.
No, I will shut it off and then I will tell her later.
No, you're not here. I'm not here. You deliver oil and the whole fucking thing.
Then we shut it off when we are not here. That's all.
Winter's coming. You can't shut it off in winter.
Why?
Pipes will freeze.
It's not that really that cold, Tommy.
Not now. It's not. But I'm saying winter is coming. When winter comes, it'll be a problem.
Oh, my baby.
Yes, hon.
No, you have to say the same thing. You're my baby.
I'm not saying it like that.
You're my baby.
Hi, honey. That's it.
No, I'm not your honey. I'm your sunshine. No, it's a fucking thunderstorm. It's like he's so guapo, guys. Did you see that look, guys? He's so handsome, boy. Guys, can you just agree? Please give me a thumbs up, guys, if you think Tommy is good looking, guys. Please give me a thumbs up. Bye, love you. He's embarrassed, guys. You know what? Every time I say he's good looking, he kinda doesn't like it because he's embarrassed. I got here to I love you, drive safe. Okay. I just dropped my mother-in-law here. Sobrang init. Oh, ito yung nakakaano kapag kapag maaga, yung sinusuot mo para sa maginaw, and then later on you're gonna end up like dying from the heat. It's 1:45 na ng hapon. Actually, she's kind of early today, but still, they supposedly are giving her 2 hours dialysis, but they give her 3 hours. Tommy was pissed because she had a dialysis last night, actually yesterday afternoon, so it's like close to each other, the day to yesterday and today. So It's supposedly 2 hours today, but anyway, so we can do nothing. It's done. Okay, guys, I have to go, guys. I will see you home. The buko juice, this one right here. Tammy and I bought this at, where is it? ShopRite. Matagal na akong hindi nakainom ng buko juice. Tignan natin, ha? Guys, bad. You know, hindi siya talaga fresco. Kasi alam naman talaga natin kung fresco. Kahit yung ano, it's bad. I'm wasting my money with this. You know, I grew up, you know, guys, alam nyo naman, guys, I grew up from the province, so I know what it tastes like when it's fresh or bad. It's bad. Honestly, totally, honestly. Hi, Bug. Bug's tongue is like this. It's so cute. Oh, he put it in. What? I was eating outside, guys, and then when I called them, and then I said, oh, something crawling in here, a big. I don't even understand what it is. It's not a bug. It's something a big. You know, it's not a spider, but it's have a big legs and a straight body. Oh my God, it's right here. Oh. Natakot ako, guys. Baka meron sa likod ko, guys. Tignan nyo naman, guys. Oh. Tignan nyo kung anong ginagawa ng puaso. Diyos ka, guys. Oh. Tinatapok. Dimikidat ng pundok-pundok ba?
NYPD Commissioner James O'Neill promoted him to the rank of detective. Courage that's displayed every day. A sacrifice this mother and
nasa laptop na lang ako palagi sa isip nila, ano ba to? Oy, wala naman tayong magawa. Oy, walang kapani-pani man si mama, oy. Hindi man spending time with us, oy. Hindi man, oy. Hindi. I love you. I love you. Good thing she doesn't scratch my face because she knows that she knows. I love you so much. I love you. I almost forget to show you what I'm doing. Well, actually, I'm cooking this vegetables, mixed vegetables, is from ShopRite, and you know, I really want to make a pakbit, guys. My vegetables done, cook. Problem, rice, but it's very little. That's not enough for me. I'm so pissed right now. Cooking rice right now. Jesus, oh my God, it's just ridiculous. Why I have this sticky thing on my leg? Hi guys! Very quick insert shout out lang ito, guys. This is from Blue Daisy. So, nagbi-birthday, belated happy birthday sa anak niyang si Adam. He is 9 years old. Hi Adam! Belated happy birthday. Thank you guys so much for watching. Yes, belated. Sorry, very late na. Happy birthday Adam! Bye-bye! So, kuha tayo ng meat at saka vegetables. Kain tayo bago. I have sauce over here too, you know that it's spicy. Really good. Pepper. Let's get more vegetables. She's waiting, guys, if I'm gonna give her something. I'm telling you. The beef is really tender. But anyway, guys, so manonood lang ako ng video. Amazon. I always watch Amazon Prime movies every night now. So, yun ang ginagawa ko, guys. It's every night na ako manonood. Pajama, may banana. So, So, naka-shirt na ako. And anyway guys, so I'm going to end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I appreciate it so much. They're right there. That's Hubs and Misty. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night guys. Good night. Bye-bye. So yun ang pinakauna kong halik din. Hindi ako makatulog guys. Yung samurai